Hello, this is a tutorial for using teamMuseumKiosk's trivia game for the South Carolina State Museum. The application loads up on an advertisement screen, which will cycle through the current ads for the museum. In this tutorial, we only have one, so the advertisement screen will stay stagnant. Clicking anywhere on the screen will lead users to the title screen, where they are introduced to the trivia game and can enter their initials and email. A player's initials can only be 3 letters long. At the bottom right corner of the screen, the admin screen can also be accessed, but we'll come back to this at a later time. If the user presses continue after entering their information, they will be welcomed to the quiz area of the application. Users will be able to go through the game, with the game increasing in difficulty as the quiz goes on. The guest has 3 strikes. Once those 3 strikes have been reached or the user has completed the quiz, the user is greeted with the end screen. Here, the guest can look at past scores and look at their current score, as well as having the option to play again. If the user presses no, they will be taken back to the title screen. Once back at the title screen, a new user can choose to play the trivia game. If the screen is left idle for too long, it will go back to the advertisement screen. Clicking on the lower right-hand icon will lead a user to the admin login screen. If the correct login information is inputted, the user will be led to the admin dashboard. Once logged in, the admin can choose to add a question, edit, or delete a question, or upload an advertisement. Here we are demonstrating a user who is inputting a question manually into the application. A user can also upload a photo or video to go along with the question. A user can also implement questions by uploading a CSV file. This CSV file is what the program uses to draw its trivia questions from. If the user clicks on the Edit tab, they can choose to edit the amount of strikes in the game, the maximum number of questions used, and which high scores to display. Clicking on the back button at any time sends the user back to the title screen once again.